Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can add token to your Trust wallet. Now before adding token to Trust wallet, first you need to come to this website called coinmarketcap.com. Once you come to this website, you want to search for the token which you want to add on your Trust wallet. Let's say I want to add the token called SafeMoon. So I can write SafeMoon V2. Let's say I want to add this token. Search for it, I can click on SafeMoon V2 and it is going to show me all the information of SafeMoon. Now what I need to do is I need to scroll down and at the left corner it's going to give me its contract address. Over here you can click on more and you can choose other contracts as well if you want to. So I'm going to go for Binance Smart Chain contract. So I'm going to click on this copy icon right beside Binance Smart Chain. Now once you copy the contract of the token which you want to add, you can open Trust Wallet and then click on this icon at the top right corner. From over here, you can click on the plus icon again at the top right corner. And over here, you want to choose the network where it belongs to. So since I copied the address of BNB Smart Chain, I need to choose BNB over here. So I will choose BNB. Now once you choose BNB, the address which you just copied, you can paste it over here. Once you paste it over here, all of this is going to be automatically filled. If it is not filled automatically, you can name it yourself as well. Click on import and the token will be added on your Trust wallet just like that. So that is basically how you guys can add token to your Trust wallet. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel. Want to step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.